Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to enable label notifications specifically for your starred emails in the Gmail app. This way, you'll never miss an important message marked with a star. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, tap on the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down through the menu options and tap on Settings. Next, select the email account for which you want to enable starred email notifications. After choosing your account, tap on Manage Labels. This section lets you control how Gmail handles notifications for different labels, including starred emails. Find and tap on the starred label. Now, you'll see options to customize syncing and notifications for your starred emails. Tap on Sync Messages and choose either Last 30 days or All, depending on how far back you want your starred emails to sync and trigger notifications. Finally, toggle on Label Notifications. This will activate alerts specifically for your starred emails, ensuring you get notified whenever a new important email arrives. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll have personalized notifications for your starred emails, helping you stay on top of the messages that matter most. Give it a try and enjoy a more organized and efficient Gmail experience.